Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Kawa Dashi. Start by preparing fish skin, kombu, and bonito flakes, then rinse and pat the skin dry. Gently score the skin to release oils, keeping pieces uniform. Soak kombu briefly and avoid boiling it to prevent bitterness. Simmer skin with kombu at low heat to extract umami slowly, skimming foam and adjusting time for desired richness. Measure ingredients precisely and set a clean workspace with a fine strainer and cheesecloth. Trim skin into even strips and remove excess fat that causes cloudiness. Lightly score skin to expose oils without shredding it. Soak kombu briefly in cool water to hydrate, then remove just before simmering. Use filtered water and a heavy-bottomed pot for steady, gentle heat that preserves flavor clarity and aroma for a refined dashi. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for setting precise timers, playing cooking music, and answering quick recipe questions hands-free while you prep. It fits in any kitchen and sounds surprisingly big for its size. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer slowly so collagen and oils release uniformly, creating a clean broth. Monitor temperature and adjust to maintain barely perceptible bubbles, which keeps bitterness at bay. Skim any foam promptly to retain clarity and delicate flavor. Add bonito flakes toward the end for layered umami, then remove heat and strain carefully through cheesecloth. Cool quickly if storing to preserve taste and texture for later use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.